18 front porches with fall flowers. Pumpkins are to fall what evergreens are to winter. This pin-worthy porch combines the seasonal fruit with ornamental cabbage and orange garden mums. So what's the decorative strategy for arranging? Don't overthink your layout. When decorating this entrance, blogger Liz Marie just unloaded her autumn harvest onto the porch and then made a few tweaks. A bale of hay leftover from a hoedown-themed party becomes the perfect centerpiece for a fall-inspired front porch. To dress it up, grab a wet floral foam, several old leather belts, and your favorite blooms. This porch includes purple Russian sage, which produces precious, tiny flowers. Flaunt your fall flowers in a hanging basket with a fall-focused saying or word association. Some of the top blossoms for hanging baskets include begonias, pelargonium, and petunias. What's the successful formula for creating a festive Halloween-inspired porch? You'll need 4 essential ingredients: mums, pumpkins, ornamental grasses, and, last but not least, something both cute and ghastly like a pair of witch legs. When it comes to decorating your porch for fall, don't be afraid of bold color. Here, blooming mums and assorted greenery dress up this doorstep, featuring the classic fall colors of orange and purple. A galvanized tub full of fall posies adds pleasing color to this laid-back front porch. Don't forget that gourds other than pumpkins are just as eye-catching as the orange favorite. These autumn container planters feature glorious sunflowers and adorable mums. Plus, ornamental cabbage adds a bit of rugged character with its interesting texture. For those looking to make a dramatic entrance, consider an urn planter. The extra-large urns lend a bit of a spooky vibe, particularly apropos for the Halloween season. Not a fan of traditional fall colors? This blue and cream porchscape celebrates the season using unexpected hues that still scream autumn. The dried hydrangeas coordinate beautifully with the white and blue heirloom pumpkins. These delicate flowering plants, Coreopsis verticillata, Zagreb, add a sunshiny touch to a rustic yet thoroughly modern autumn porch. Pumpkins made out of branches, as well as actual pumpkins, round out the look. The modern farmhouse aesthetic combines clean, modern design with cozy, rustic elements to create a fresh and uncluttered twist on traditional country style. This fall porch combines budding white mums, Russian sage, and lovely greenery with upcycled planters to create a modern farmhouse porch blooming with style. A festive front porch doesn't have to be complicated, nor does the decor need to be expensive. This chic, fall-themed porch is simple but sophisticated in how it pairs yellow garden mums with multi-hued croton plants. A pumpkin-lined walkway adds seasonal flavor. Prettify your front door with this autumnal fall wreath. To make it, attach freshly picked flowers, whether from your garden or a local nursery, as well as found leaves to a grapevine wreath form. These potted lovelies add gorgeous pops of color to this autumn porch. The fall season means back to school and back to business as usual, too, so you may want to consider adding a meditating Buddha statue for a calming vibe. For many folks, September feels like the start of a brand new year, so it makes sense to celebrate the autumnal solstice with an explosion of color. This spectacular oversized porch planter combines colorful flowers, including red globe amaranthus and golden yellow bidens, with hardy perennial greenery. This eclectic fall porch features a Bohemian-style sitting area punctuated by white, red, and yellow garden mums. The frilly foliage plants are ornamental kale. On the door is decorative corn framed with lovely goldenrod. Skimpy square footage shouldn't dampen your fall spirit, just look at this illustrative example. For what the porch lacks in size, it makes up for in autumnal gusto, particularly when it comes to the large planter filled with red Gerber daisies, golden crispidia, yellow garden mums, and, for texture, ornamental cabbage. This cozy porch, complete with pillows and a throw blanket, just calls for relaxing and enjoying a hot drink on a chilly night. The jewel-tone garden mums liven up the otherwise monochromatic decor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.